Can a hair remedy truly show results in just 3 days? I personally didn't think so, but I used this powerful mixture of kitchen staples and saw my own hair grow visibly longer, thicker, and denser in less than 72 hours. I was absolutely astounded. Everyone I've introduced to this secret treatment has reported back with amazing results. Their hair hasn't just gained length and thickness, it has also acquired a rich, natural shade. This makes it a truly remarkable and effective remedy, especially for those who are struggling with stubborn graying hair. I'll share the before and after pictures with you. Every person who has consistently used this tonic has experienced significantly thicker hair strands, increased root volume, and dramatically accelerated hair growth. The best part is, you are completely free from using any expensive, chemically laden hair products to create this exceptional remedy. All the necessary ingredients can be found right here in your own kitchen. We only require a few humble kitchen spices, and I promise you, your hair growth will double or even triple its current rate. If your hair is currently stuck just at shoulder length, prepare for it to flow down to your waist. And if you are dealing with minor bald spots or patches, alopecia, this unique formula can even stimulate growth in those dormant areas. This is such an incredible remedy, but you must apply it with complete belief and in the precise, detailed way that I will share with you. Therefore, you must watch this entire video very carefully, without skipping any part, so that you understand every technical point easily. That way, you too can achieve such beautiful, soft, and silky hair that shines with health. You need onions. Yes, the humble onion, available in every home. You need a medium-sized onion, and specifically, one that is a darker, richer color. Why the dark color? Because darker onions inherently contain a higher sulfur content. This is why onions are used so frequently in effective hair growth remedies, because of their sulfur concentration. The deeper the color, the more potent the sulfur content will be. This active sulfur will penetrate directly into your hair roots, working to boost collagen production, which strengthens the roots. This action increases essential blood flow to the scalp and, crucially, accelerates hair growth. Peel your onion and roughly cut it in half. Then, take the container where you will prepare the mixture. Cut the onion into small, manageable pieces and add them in. Onions are not only fantastic for making your hair longer and thicker, but they will also soften your hair immensely. The sulfur strengthens the roots, making your hair smoother and easier to manage. If you suffer from excessive tangles or other common hair texture problems, this tonic will effectively eliminate them. Now fill a glass with pure water. Next, let's move on to the second powerhouse ingredient. Tea leaves. Yes, the same tea leaves you use every morning. Use the tea leaves from the same company you normally consume at home. You might be thinking, tea leaves are for drinking, what are they doing in my hair remedy? Let me tell you, they contain high levels of caffeine, which is a powerful growth stimulant that will make your hair grow much, much faster. Add 1 level tablespoon of tea leaves to your mixture. This will not only make your hair substantially longer and thicker, but it will also impart a beautiful color very quickly. Those whose hair is turning gray and are frustrated with constant chemical dyes can reap 2 major benefits. Your hair will be naturally protected from graying, and hair growth will be significantly boosted. Next, take the pan and place it securely on the stove. Light the stove and set the heat to a low-medium setting. It's important to prepare this remedy over a medium flame. As the tea leaves and onion begin to heat in the water, the warmer the water gets, the more quickly the tea leaves' active color and effect will be released into the water. You know how difficult tea stains are to remove. Similarly, this infusion will naturally impart a strong, deep color to your hair. Now, cover the mixture and let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Leave it covered, allowing the ingredients to thoroughly infuse. After this time, when you remove the cover, you will see how much color has emerged. The tea leaves will have released their deep color and active compounds. Similarly, this color will rapidly and naturally be absorbed by your hair strands. You need to use this remedy with absolute confidence, as belief plays a large role in the results. You must use it with complete consistency and regularity to achieve these stunning results. People will definitely ask you, what is your secret? What are you applying to your hair that makes it look so magnificent? Allow the liquid to boil until you notice a significant reduction in the volume of the water. Then take your fenugreek seeds, Methidana. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. I frequently incorporate fenugreek into my hair growth recipes because it is a rich source of protein. Hair is fundamentally made of protein. If your hair's protein level is depleted or severely reduced, which often happens from using too many harsh chemical products, it leads to breakage and severe damage. Fenugreek is a fantastic, inexpensive solution for this. This spice will add necessary protein back into your hair. If your hair is naturally long but too thin, it lacks visual appeal. Fenugreek is exactly what you need to make your hair thicker, denser, and stronger. It will add considerable volume. For those who feel their hair lacks volume and looks too flat, I specifically created this remedy for you. Your hair will not only grow longer but will also gain impressive body and volume. Now, take black seeds, kalonji or nigella seeds, which you likely have at home. You probably use them in your cooking, and they are excellent for preventing various diseases. They are equally wonderful for your hair. They penetrate the hair shaft and actively eliminate any infection or problem, starting right from the hair roots. Black seeds possess powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that heal the roots and greatly improve scalp health. If you have any ongoing hair issue, be it dandruff, irritation, or other scalp concerns, this ingredient will control it very quickly. It also gives your hair a gorgeous shade, complementing the action of the tea leaves. That's why the powder of black seeds is often used as a component in natural hair dye formulations. When you use it in this simple remedy, you will get truly surprising and amazing results. So, isn't this an absolutely amazing remedy? All the ingredients I'm using here are easily accessible at home, and the results are so far superior that the benefits you'll receive from this remedy far outweigh those of any expensive market product. Secondly, this remedy is prepared quite quickly. It should take a total of about 20 to 25 minutes to prepare. You can now clearly see how deep the color from the tea leaves has become. The mixture has been simmering for the full 20 to 25 minutes. The glass of water you added is now reduced to roughly half a glass, and the tea leaves have completely infused. Now turn off the stove, cover the mixture tightly, and let it cool completely for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Once it is thoroughly cooled, you must strain it. You can use a fine mesh strainer, a tea bag, or any clean muslin cloth to strain the liquid. Now I have strained it thoroughly. You can observe how intense and rich the dark color is. This liquid is going to work wonders for your hair. You can incorporate this tonic into your routine in many ways. One excellent way to use it is as a color base. Whenever you prepare your natural hair dye like henna, mix a portion of this tonic with a little indigo powder, a little henna, and a little coffee powder. This combination will give your hair a beautiful, permanent shade. Then apply it to your hair as a mask. Leave it on for an hour, then wash your hair. You can use this method once or twice a month for managing gray hair. The second method is the daily growth treatment. Use a dropper or a cotton ball to apply the liquid directly to the roots of your hair. Apply it only to the roots, as that is where hair growth originates. You should apply it to clean hair roots daily, morning and evening. Apply it twice a day. Any gray hair at your roots will quickly begin to turn darker, and your hair roots will also become significantly stronger. Massage gently using the inversion method for 4 minutes to stimulate blood flow. After this, let your hair dry slightly and tie it up. Once your hair is completely dry, you won't need to wash it daily, as it won't make your hair sticky or greasy at all. Finally, the third method. On the day you wash your hair, simply boost your shampoo. Take a small amount of your daily shampoo, or an amount appropriate for your hair length, mix it thoroughly with a few spoons of this tonic, and work it into a lather. Using this shampoo will help maintain your hair's color, as color tends to fade quickly when using chemically concentrated shampoos. Using this booster shampoo will preserve your color and prevent damage. Crucially, the scalp's pH level will not be imbalanced, and your hair growth will continue to be significantly accelerated. Use this shampoo blend twice a week. You can store the prepared tonic in a sealed container for 3 to 4 weeks before mixing it with the shampoo. If you prefer, you can prepare a larger quantity at once. People of all ages can use this. It has no side effects and will be extremely beneficial for everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.